Click Compliance. Click HOS. Click Logs. Find the desired logs to print using the Options menu. Click Print. Select the correct printer and print options, then click Print. Transfer is used to transfer logs to the U.S. Department of Transportation or other authorities. Usually, the driver completes this transfer through MyGeotab drive during roadside inspections. However, when the device is outside the cell coverage, audit administrators can transfer the desired logs from the database to the appropriate authority using this function. Click Transfer. Select a date period. Select the drivers to transfer logs for. Select the transfer type. The officer involved will typically communicate if they would like the log sent via email or web service. Enter any comments such as the officer code. Click Send when ready. Click either Transfer to FMCSA or perform a test transfer. Note that you can send data for up to 5 drivers at the same time. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for printing and transferring HOS or ELD logs.